Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Our gospel this morning contains desperate words. There are sentences of hopelessness. My daughter is at the point of death. There was a woman afflicted with hemorrhages for 12 years. She had suffered greatly at the hands of her many doctors and had spent all that she had. Ubus na yung kanyang pera, hindi pa siya gumagaling. Yet, she was not helped, but only grew worse. Not a very pretty picture, but rather a scenario where there is a growing hopelessness. A child is dying, a woman has been suffering for 12 years. But even if there are words of hopelessness in the gospel, even if there is an atmosphere of desperation, there is also a sign of hope, the presence of Jesus. The presence of Jesus dispels the hopelessness they felt. In fact, the centurion and the woman who is not named saw in Jesus someone who can answer their hope. Someone who can help them in their desperation. Oo, may kawalan ng pag-asa, pero nandoon si Jesus na nagbibigay ng pag-asa. Kaya lumapit ang centurion kay Jesus. Please, come. Lay hands on her. I know you can do something for my daughter. I hope in you. I trust in you. And the woman, not knowing what to do, clung on the clothes of Jesus. I know I will be helped. I can be helped. I know something can change if only I can touch his clothes. Both the centurion and the woman saw in Jesus the answer to their prayers. Mga ginigiliw kong kapatid, siguro naranasan na rin natin na dumaan sa ganong sitwasyon. Wala ka ng pera, ang dami mong babayaran, dumarating isa-isa ang mga bill, meron kang anak na may sakit, hindi mo na alam kung anong gagawin mo, wala kang perang pampagamot, sinabihan ka sa inyong trabaho, magsasara na ang pabrika, nalulugi ang negosyo, anong mangyayari sa iyo? Marami sa atin dumadaan sa ganong sitwasyon. Sitwasyon ng kawalan ng pag-asa. But, my dear sisters and brothers, this morning, we are being reminded that the situation is not totally hopeless because we have Jesus. If only we will have faith in Jesus, if only we will approach Jesus and ask for help, Jesus will do what is best for us. On this year of Jubilee of Hope, the Church is reminding us, hope does not disappoint. Jesus does not disappoint. God will do something for us. Let us cling on Jesus. Humawak tayo sa Kanya. Manalig tayo sa Kanya. Magtiwala tayo sa Kanya. ilagay natin ang ating buhay sa kanyang mga kamay. Amen.